Hello folks, today we've been asked to come out here and take a look at this subfloor. Now we've already seen some horrific foundation issues, but if you could kind of stand back here and look, you can see how my floor is literally sagging down in through here to the place that now I'm standing water. Now, does anybody have a clue why maybe this has actually got standing water when the balance of it does not? Well, I'm going to tell you why. Is because this is a major low spot. I don't know what happened, but they have a huge problem here, and this is going to affect everything from the building all the way up to the roof. And then not to mention this water sitting on this subfloor. It's not made to be a swimming pool. It's a subfloor, not a swimming pool floor. So anyway, this is what happens when you get poor workmanship. That's why you give somebody like Galloway Building Services a call. We come out here and take a look at your construction issues. Make sure you don't have any problems. They do. I want to share with you over here. You can kind of see where we got other problems. You can kind of see right here. Look underneath my plate right here. You see my plate, and then that's my bottom plate right here. Now, but now you can see the void up underneath it. Well, that's a problem. That's going to be another. Then you got a hump right over here. Wow, man, these guys. Somebody needs to take their hammer away. They already lost their tape measure. You can tell that. And they don't have a level to their name apparently. Anyway, give us a call, Galloway Building Services. Call us ahead of time so you don't get caught in this kind of mess that these folks are. This is a mess. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you, folks. I hope you're having a better day than these poor buyers are.